Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys in my YouTube channel. In this video friends, I am going to show you guys Facebook setting, and today video title is guys how to turn on tag notification on Facebook account. Friends, on your Facebook account you want to use tag notification. So friends, now let's see how to turn on tag notification on Facebook account one by one, step by step. Friends, we will talk about. So before starting video, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, first of all we will turn on Facebook application. After turn on Facebook application friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook application. So friends, you want to use Facebook application tag notification. Friends, you want to use when someone will tag you and you want to get notification, you want to use notification. So how to turn on? If you tap here setting and privacy option, setting option friends, we will tap here Facebook setting will open personal detail setting you want to use. So you can use your personal detail setting. Password security setting you can use. So friends, first of all we will tap here notification setting. After turn on notification setting friends, you can see this type interface on your Facebook account. So friends, you can see comment notification is here. Friends, you want to use your comment notification, you want to turn on your comment notification and you want to off, so you can on and you can off here friends. So friends, we will tap here tag notification. Friends, second option you can see tag notification. We will tap here tag notification. You want to use friends your tag notification, so friends you can use it. So friends, you can see get notification when you are tagged by anyone, friend to friend, only friend, and you want to use where you receive this notification, post, email and SMS. You want to on, you want to use Facebook account tag notification. So friends, you can on and you can use it. If you tap here, so you can on all notification and you can use it. So like that friends, now when someone will tag you in a post, so you can use tag notification on your Facebook account. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. To have any doubt, have any problem on your Facebook account setting, notification setting, so friends you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye bye friends.